Hello people, welcome to Man-Rays Tech Vlogs and more. So today I thought I'd do a sit-in video. I've done a bunch of videos with me standing up and the lighting changing because I move too much. So here it's kind of nice, I think. Might be a bit overexposed, it's possible. But now I'm using my directional shotgun mic. How does it sound? How far should I be from it? Do you hear my stuff going on? Is the camera tracking me? It seems like it. Is the white balance set properly? Who knows? But I just want to do a test sitting down. Is that gain 10? So I would have to turn it up a bit in DaVinci. And hopefully this sounds nice now. So this is the kind of videos I can do while I'm just sitting down, relaxing, talking to you people. So this week I am going to go visit some family in Liverpool. And you can maybe see, oh, well, it's saying it's not in focus. It's saying it's out of focus. It's fine. Oh, long story short, Man United, come on you Reds, Red Army and all that. But I want to go visit some family. I'm off work right now. That's why I've got so many videos going out. How does it sound with my Sennheiser MKE something? I can't remember the name of it. Is autofocus working? It's telling me to press OK. Alright, I'll press OK. 1 sec. Okay. I pressed OK. Are you going to track me now? Stupid thing. There you go. Perfect tracking. Alright. So this has been Man-Rays Tech Vlogs and more. This has been a short video. Just see what I did was, what I'm doing. I've got a long XLR cable connected to my camera. So now I don't have to have it on top of the camera. So I can do videos all the way over here. And you can still hear me clearly. Instead of it being all the way over here on top of the camera. So, yeah. Eeny, meeny, maka, raka, rare, nominaka, chili, lolly, papa, pom, pear, push. Like my singing? Like my singing? You better. I can't find you. Alright, this has been Man-Rays Tech Vlogs and more. Shall I subscribe? Shoot me with my Nikon or Nikon, however you pronounce it. Z or Z, however you want to say it. 6 3. I know the number 3. I do at 6K, 25 frames a second, N-Log, N-RAW. Peace. Bye-bye.